Hey, what's up everybody? I'm Mark.
And I'm Faye.
And we are the Grill Dads.
And today we have something really special. We're gonna take an American Wagyu skirt steak and we're gonna dress it up for a night on the town. Right, Mark?
Sure thing, buddy.
All right. Black Tuxedo. This is another one of our spice rubs in our Tuxedo line. And what we love about this is, again, this is about salt and pepper forward, but we've added a couple really fun ingredients just to give it a little, you know, something nice.
Black Tuxedo. You want to do nice and high so you get an even coat. All right, we've got our fire set up for a medium direct. You know, a lot of times we talk about how you want the steak to be room temperature before it goes on. Not with skirt steak or not with anything that's really thin. You want it to be cold because you want to be able to leave it on long enough to get a great sear without overcooking the inside.
That's right.
Woo. Now, we happen to have a huge grill here.
Yeah, if you don't have a grill this wide, this long,
you can cut these.
In half, cut them in thirds. So see, Mark is rolling this up. It's kind of cool. It actually keeps the meat warm. It'll actually start to regulate the temp on the top a little bit. You're not going to overcook the thinner ends of this, but Mark's still got another, I'd say, a minute or two tops on this.
All right.
All right. Oh, gorgeous. Black Tuxedo, American Wagyu, skirt steak.
All right, question for you.
Yes.
Which way is the meat grain going?
Is this a test? It's going this way.
Yep.
Okay.
So most people when they do this, they just start going down.
Because it looks like you should put that in a fajita, right? You look like you want these nice strips like that. You could still get strips. However, we're gonna do the old rotation. Mark, please demonstrate.
All right, here we go. Now we're gonna rotate it. All right, so again, now we've got the meat grain going that way. We're gonna come back.
Mark, would you put a couple, go ahead and load those up with some, some skirt steak for me. Again, Black Tuxedo street tacos a la Spiceology and the Grill Dads. It's what we love to do best. I'm just gonna put a little bit of fresh Napa cabbage on here. All right, and we're gonna take some really nice fresh radish, fresh onions. We don't need to have these cooked. This is cotija. Cotija cheese is Mexican Parmesan. A little bit of fresh cilantro, your favorite hot sauce, whatever you want to add to it. And then we're gonna finish it off with some fresh lime juice. Black Tuxedo street tacos. Cheers. Really good, Mark.
Your voice is ruining this heavenly experience for me.